The beginning. What's a bubble blower? A bubble blower is a machine that automatically generates a continuous stream of bubbles for at least 1 minute from homemade bubble solution using wind power or electrical power.
To make a bubble blower, we needed a bubble solution and a means to blow the solution into bubbles. To blow the bubbles, we could either use wind power or electrical power. We chose wind power, so we began researching wind turbines. Wind turbines operate by the action of the relative wind. Relative wind is a combination of natural wind plus wind caused by the rotor motion and the rotor-induced flow. The result of the relative wind are the aerodynamic forces which are created on the rotating blades. These aerodynamic forces are called drag and lift forces. Here are the references we used during our research process. While researching the best bubble making recipes, we discovered that the most common and most simple ingredients include water, dish soap, sugar, and baking powder.
This is our design cycle. We have ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Ask, what is a bubble blower? What are the requirements, and how do we make the best one? Imagine, our design was inspired by wind turbines. Plan, for our bubble blower, we decided to use a pinwheel, bubble wands, and a fan, and for our bubble solution, we used Dawn dish soap, water, and sugar. Create, we began assembling our prototype by connecting the bubble wands to our pinwheel. Prototype, our first prototype had the right design, but our wands were too heavy to spin. Improve, our first prototype would not spin easily in the bubble solution, and the bubbles would not flow because the wands were too heavy, so we had to improve. Compare, we had to use smaller wands, stronger adhesive glue, bigger solution bucket, and a better fan height with the angle.
This is our freshman engineering design day. The following video is from the judging of our FED project.
We didn't want the tip of the pinwheel dipping in necessarily because then it kind of drags it. So we needed it just to get the wand in and not the tip of the pinwheel.
And I'm sure the angle helps a little bit too.
Yeah, originally we had them like...
Results. Our project did in place, but we were given an honorable mention from the judges for our creativity with the pinwheel design. What would we do differently? If we could do this project over again, we would have tried harder to incorporate variability in bubble sizes as well as making more bubbles faster. We could have also added more creativity to our design by making the solution colorful or scented, just to make our design even further stand out. This is our advice to next year's freshmen. 1. Don't stress about it too much. 2. Plan weekly meetings with your FED group. 3. Be aware of deadlines and make sure you are doing everything on time. 4. Ask for help if you are really stuck. And finally, have